What's up, YouTube? It's Too Good Goodman, also known as Mopar Markel. We back with another one. Let's get it. In this video, I'm gonna hit you with a cold start like we usually do. Definitely gonna do that. I'm also gonna give you guys a quick overview on where I got my SRT wing at and what I use to mount it. And my wing came painted to match, so I'm gonna let you guys see where you actually find your paint code on your car if you're looking to order a wing for your own vehicle and you just don't know your paint code or anything like that. I'm gonna help you guys out with that, and we're gonna have a little bit of sound clips, have some drive-bys in the car, and we're gonna go crazy. It's another banger. Let's get it. We're gonna start off with a cold start in a minute. Let's see. We're gonna start off with this cold start. Let's see. Get y'all with this cold start really quick. Ooh. Let's see. There we go. And y'all can see it's raining out here a little bit, but we ain't worried about that. Not too much. Let's see. Throw you guys right here with me, man. But yeah, we about to do this cold start. I'm gonna let you guys know where I got the wing from. And the other thing is we're also potentially getting a splitter. When I say potentially, I mean we're definitely getting a splitter. We just don't know which one we want to get. Trying to find the best one that's gonna make it look somewhat stock. I do not want like a Charger splitter on this car. I'm trying to have something that's molded somehow to it that's gonna look like it's part of the bumper. Very hard to find, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. In the description, I'm gonna have where I bought the wing from, the link in it, Amazon. You guys gotta look it up, and where I got the mounting tape from. And like I said, I didn't use 3M tape. This wing did come with 3M tape. This wing did come with 3M tape to use to mount it, and it comes with screws. So it comes with 3M tape and screws. And we didn't use either. Some people don't really understand is with 3M tape, you need to heat it up. You need to have a heat gun for it to actually stick to the surface decent and for it to last. Other thing I hate about 3M tape is because it's black, it shows in the crevices. Once you push it down, it stretches and expands, and it just becomes like a hassle with 3M tape. It leaves residue on it, and to be honest, it doesn't hold for the longevity of the time. Now, I'm gonna start off with the cold start, then I'm gonna go in the whip and show you guys what I use to mount this wing on, and we're gonna go crazy. That's a cold start for y'all. We're gonna go crazy with it. The wing looking crazy, man. Love how this wing looks. Love how the wing looks, man. Give y'all a quick shot of front. You can see where we're gonna put. We're looking for a splitter that's gonna give some more definition to the bottom. You can see how it doesn't have much body lines by the front bumper on this. even something that might make it come out on the side like a little bit, shape in, trying to get a little definition, man. Let me know if you guys have any ideas, trying to find something. Still trying to find something that's gonna fit it ideally, man. Now, if you guys were wondering what I use to mount my wing, this is the stuff right here. Let me show you guys. Now, this is Gorilla Glue mounting tape. As you can see, a lot of people be wondering, is it waterproof? Can I use it inside? Can I use it outside? Yo, and it dries clear, so you don't have to worry about residue coming out to the sides. You don't have to worry about really any of the issues that you commonly would have with 3M tape. This is literally the opposite. It's double-sided tape. I bought 2 of these for the install, and I only needed 1 to mount the wing. When you're mounting the wing, like I said, take it to a nice area where you have the space to lay it down flat. Cover the whole surface that's going to be touching your trunk in the tape, every crevice. That's what I did. And yo, wipe down your surface of the hood before you stick it, line it up. And the best tips for lining it up, you definitely can use like some painter's tape to kind of box out where you want it to meet, just so you don't have it uneven or anything. It's very important. Another video that I definitely need to have coming up, but I honestly can kind of throw it in for you guys right now, is I'm gonna give a little bit more in-depth video. I might, if not, I'll just do a quick overview on how I installed the pedals. This was another install we did. We put the SRT pedals on. Now, only thing you need to know when you're doing these is you're gonna take off your plastic one that's factory. You're gonna take that off. You're gonna take off the rubber one. Then you're gonna reattach the one they send you right here. And it has grooves that line the whole surrounding, but it also has flaps, as you can see right there, that help you stretch it out. And I use kind of like a little plastic tool to get in there to make sure I can help me get it all around easily. Now, with the gas pedal, all you have to do is attach it straight onto the you're gonna attach it straight onto your factory one. As in the brake, you have to take off your rubber piece that comes on, and you're replacing it with this metal piece. Whereas this one, you're putting this metal piece directly over your gas pedal that has the rubber lining on it. And this does have the same flaps as this one to make it a little easier to fit around, and then lines around the whole pedal. And as you can see, it's on there. It's on there pretty good. Now, when you're looking to get the pedals, they come in multiple colors. Blue, green, red. They go crazy. I went with the regular alloy or chrome, whatever you want to call it. And yo, they look good. It definitely takes a little bit of time, but it's not hard at all. It's a very easy install. I'm gonna be doing a more in-depth video on the intake I have on this car. I do have a Corsa intake, and we're gonna go a little bit more detailed on how we put that in and how I feel about it while driving the car for like a week or so. Now, before we end this video, I just want to give you guys a few sound clips. A few little sound clips real quick, nothing crazy. And we're gonna get out of here after that. Let's see. There we go. Now we got the full set of lights on too. I didn't have them on before. Let's see. Yeah. She pulls a little bit, man. She pulls a little bit. And one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, we definitely got some collabs coming, man. We got some collabs coming with some subscribers, man, that, let's say, got a little V8 in their engine too, man. Yes, sir. But after this, I'll be getting back to you guys with another video. It's Mopar Goodman, and we back with another one.